Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study dental pulse using an easy method. First, familiarize yourself with the book's layout and key sections. Next, divide your study material into smaller, focused chunks to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Identify the most frequently tested subjects and dedicate more time to mastering those areas. This strategic approach ensures you cover essential information effectively and build a strong foundation for your exams. To truly master the material, engage in active recall. After reading a section, try to explain it aloud or write down key points without referring to the book. Develop brief, clear summary notes or flashcards for quick review sessions. Consistent self-testing with practice questions helps solidify your understanding and identifies areas needing more attention. This method reinforces learning and improves retention significantly. Consistency is crucial for long-term success. Set up a realistic daily or weekly study schedule and stick to it as much as possible. Remember to incorporate short, regular breaks to keep your mind fresh and prevent fatigue. Periodically revisit topics you've already covered to reinforce your memory and ensure information stays accessible. This disciplined approach builds momentum and makes the learning process more manageable. Enhance your understanding by using visual aids and diagrams, especially for intricate anatomical or physiological concepts. Collaborating with study partners to discuss challenging topics can offer new perspectives and clarify doubts. Remember, a fresh environment can boost focus. Also, check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals to keep your study space pleasant. Stay motivated and trust your preparation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.